Hello fan collectors, this is an Emerson traditional Snugger ceiling fan, and it has 5 blades and 4 lights, and I'll turn the fan on, turn the light on, and the one light post is a kitty cat, and 2 of them, and all 4 of them. And this fan is not original to the house. It's a new fan. I'm not sure when it got hung here, but this is in my grandma's best friend's sunroom, and it gives a lot of cool air whenever the sunroom's hot and needs cooling. And I hope you watch my videos, fan collectors. Bye.